At the World Finals 2023, Lamborghini unveiled the Huracán STO SC 10 degrees Anniversario, an exemplary Lamborghini ad personam opera unica celebrating a decade of Squadra Corse and the bond between the road range and world of Lamborghini Motorsport with an original performance kit and a dedicated livery. The livery is inspired by the Lamborghini SC63, the hybrid prototype of the hypercar/GTP class that the brand will field in the world's most prestigious endurance races in the 2024 racing season, such as the 24 Hours of Le Mans and the 12 Hours of Sebring. The colors chosen for the two-tone livery are Verde Mantis, green, and Nero Noctis, black, combined with a tricolor band that runs entirely across the cafango and roof. Both doors sport the Squadra Corse 10 degrees Anniversario logo to celebrate Lamborghini's Motorsport division, which boasts 3 consecutive GTD class wins in the 24 Hours at Daytona and more than 50 titles overall in the GT3 category. The Squadra Corse logo is featured on the rear fin of the Huracán STO that extends from the air scoop to the opposite edge of the rear hood. The car also mounts a full carbon fiber package that includes a Rosso Mars, red, stripe that encompasses the entire bodywork and gives the STO SC 10 degrees Anniversario an even sportier look. The interior trim was selected specifically for track use. The sport seats are upholstered in Nero Aude, black, Alcantara with Verde fawns, green, stitching and fitted with 4-point seat belts, and an aluminium roll bar protects the car's occupants. The interior configuration is completed with a carbon fiber floor covering and an exclusive plaque, also made of carbon fiber, placed on the rear firewall that certifies the car's uniqueness. The Huracán STO SC 10 degrees Anniversario is the first road-legal vehicle that Lamborghini's Squadra Corse engineers, based on their know-how developed over 10 years of experience on the racetracks, have created a performance kit for with the aim to improve dynamic qualities and performance on the track. The aerodynamics have been optimized with the adoption of 2 brand new front carbon fiber flicks mounted on the bonnet, which work together with a rear wing with an angle 3 degrees higher than the production model to increase the car's downforce both front and rear. The mechanical grip has been increased significantly by a set of 4 racing-derived shock absorbers that replace the standard active components. The dampers are 4-way adjustable, with rebound/compression at both high and low frequencies. Also contributing to the boost in track performance are the new tires developed ad hoc in collaboration with Bridgestone based on a new compound ensuring optimum performance and durability lap after lap. The car's equipment is further enhanced by the Akrapovic titanium exhaust that accentuates the sound of the Sant'Agata Bolognese V10 on all frequencies.